Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin access and a recent backup. This preserves content if something goes wrong. Next, open the browser or the CMS settings where site data, cache, and cookies are managed, because you'll act there. Once open, identify whether you're targeting the entire domain, a subdomain, or specific paths. This reduces collateral removals and speeds the process. Make sure to note any custom cache rules so you can reapply them after you reset. Now, clear browser-level items, cache, cookies, local storage, and indexed DB specifically for the target domain so user-side state is removed. Then, in your CMS or server control panel, purge object cache, CDN cache, and reset session stores to remove server-side state. If your stack uses file-based caches, delete temporary cache folders and confirm file permissions are correct. Otherwise, new caches may fail. Once done, restart relevant services so changes take effect across layers. Finish by reloading the site and testing key user flows to confirm the default state has returned. Make sure to reapply necessary cache rules, CDN behaviors, and any retain settings you noted earlier. This restores performance without reintroducing stale data. If something goes wrong, inspect server and application logs for specific errors, and if you can't fix it quickly, roll back to your backup to restore service. One troubleshooting tip: clear DNS and CDN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.